We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make homemade pizza. First, start with your pizza dough. You'll want it to be out on the counter prior to working with it so that's able to stretch and the gluten has rested. That way it's not springing back together as you stretch it out. Now add your sauce, 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Then about 4 ounces of cheese. This can be any cheese of your choice. We have a blend here, cheddar and mozzarella. And now on to toppings. Remember, all to your taste. You can do prosciutto or some chicken. We have some orange bell pepper, little sweet flavor with our bell pepper. You can also do green pepper for a little bit more peppery taste. And then we're gonna bake at 500 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes. Then top with your fresh garnishes, some basil here, and enjoy. Always cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste. Thank you. More tasty videos below.